Most people wait for motivation to magically appear. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't come to you. You create it. It starts the moment you decide today will be different, that you won't settle for average anymore. Imagine waking up every morning fueled by purpose, ready to conquer the day with clarity and confidence. That's the mindset that transforms lives. You don't need more time. You need sharper focus and smarter tools. And that's exactly what I'm about to share with you. The key isn't working harder, it's working smarter. With the power of AI, you can automate the boring stuff, freeing your energy to focus on what really moves the needle. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Most people grab their phone, scroll through notifications, or snooze their alarm, but not you, not anymore. Because if you're here, you're done living on autopilot. You want more, and you're willing to do something about it. So let's start with a truth no one tells you. Motivation isn't a mood, it's a decision. And the minute you decide that your life is bigger than your comfort zone, you win. Today's not just another day. It's your next move toward financial freedom. It's another chance to reprogram your mind, to reshape your path, and to rise with power. And no, you don't need to do it all alone. AI is here, not to replace your hustle, but to elevate it. What if I told you that while others are busy chasing time, you'll be building systems that create it? That's the shift. Imagine waking up, speaking your affirmations out loud. I am focused. I am powerful. I attract money, opportunity, and success. Now open your laptop and your AI assistant is already drafting content, managing your business ideas, or turning your morning thoughts into income. Sounds unreal? It's real, and it's happening right now. Success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who create. This video isn't about hype about AI. It's about action. Simple steps, real tools, a mindset that refuses to settle so that we focus on our peace of mind. Let's get real for a second. You're tired of spinning your wheels, of watching others grow online while you're still figuring out where to begin. Here's where you begin. Learn AI, use them to build reels, shorts, even entire ebooks. While your competitors are brainstorming, you're already uploading. While they're waiting for motivation, you've built momentum. Did you listen? Ordinary tools in the hands of an extraordinary mind become unstoppable. Every single day starts with a purpose. Your words matter. Your vision matters. But most of all, your execution matters. AI isn't just a trend. It's the shortcut to freedom, but only if your mindset is aligned. Think, content creation that runs while you sleep. Daily affirmations that shape your inner world. Digital systems that pay you while you dream. And right now, it's all in your hands. Don't just scroll. Don't just watch. Engage. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're ready to make your mornings count. This page isn't just for motivation. It's for transformation. The life you want is hidden in the habits you start today. Automate with AI, monetize with purpose, and never forget, your discipline will do what motivation can't. Don't wait for a new year, a new month, or a miracle. Start today with one small decision. Every empire begins with a single line of code and a powerful belief. Let's grow. Let's win. Let's build together. Do subscribe. See you tomorrow. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.